Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm excited because आज मैंने अपना makeup खुद नहीं किया. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to shoot a very short and crisp video. You can say monthly favorites, products that I've been loving this month. So these are the products that you should have and they are worth every penny. So yeah, let's get into the video. So first product is shampoo. If you're watching my vlogs, you must have seen in my August shopping haul I have put all the products that I bought, but this product specifically called milkshake shampoo, it's really good, it's really amazing. This product I have been using for like 1 month now. जब भी रिसीव हुआ था I have done like 7-8 washes इससे. These are really amazing shampoo and conditioner. This is must have. I will link it below. So basically I have my blonde hair. I keep coloring my hair. If you can see here, it's like not the bad blonde but silverish shampoo. That's the reason it's called silver shine shampoo. So I used to get my shampoo from Dubai, just being extra. Like I was using Alter Ego and Scotch Cough and other purple shampoos. They are equally good, but this has a shine in it. It says silver shine, so when you apply it, the kind of shine it gives you is crazy. Like, look at it, so amazing. This shampoo is worth investing. This is for 1500 rupees. You can get it on Tira. I ordered mine from Tira, and they usually have their offers going on, which is really good. So this shampoo and conditioner is highly recommend for colored hair. And also if you have keratin and all, don't use it like more than twice a week, because ये whatever color shampoos we use वो बाल थोड़े से dry कर देते हैं. So it's better to use maximum twice a week. But results you will see, like I think even if you have that yellow tinge, blondie, ganda सा अगर color हो गया, just apply this and look at your hair afterwards. So I'm really loving the color it has given me. So this is 10 on 10 recommend. Next product is this sunscreen. I usually prefer spray sunscreen because they're easy to apply, but this is very cute. इसकी काफ़ी cute सी packaging है, and also I love applying it. There is no white cast. काफ़ी liquidy है. There is no white cast. There is no fragrances. It's really good. I love it. The texture, the finish. Look at it. ऑल्सो गाइस मैंने रिंग्स पहनी है, तो मैं सब कुछ आज इसी हैंड पे दिखाने वाली हूँ. इट्स रियली नाइस. देयर इज नो फ्रेग्रेंस, नो, it's very good. I think there is no dangerous harmful ingredients. Now I have lately stopped using zyada perfumed items which are not good for your hormones. So now I prefer using products which have very less fragrances. Of course, I can't stop raving about Fenty Beauty. I have Fenty gloss on my lips now, but I want to talk about their mascara. This mascara I got it as gift, and this is a hit. This mascara, I can't even tell you. If you can look at my lashes, it's amazing. It gives you literally falsies, and it's amazing. This mascara is really must try. It's very nice. Next product I want to talk about is Inde Wild. They're all the products are good. I've been using their serum, I've been using their oil, वो मेरे से पूरा spill हो गया. But this product, vegan butter with peptides, this lip treatment is really good. I'm applying it. ये काफ़ी healing है यार lips में जो cracks हैं, and if you apply it overnight, it really works as a treatment. It's a must try product. I've been using it from a week maybe. अभी आया ये मेरा order. I've been using it from 1 week, but I can see the changes. Also Laneage and I don't know, it's pronounced Lineage, whatever. That is also amazing. That works wonder on my lips. Also Too Faced ka night repair, but I think this is very good. Price point I think 600-700 ka hai. This is very good overnight mask. Alright guys, another product that I have been obsessed with is this Master Chow ka chili oil. This is so good. Like I had to share it with you. I've also shared a recipe on my Instagram. I will link it here. This is, so it shows spicy level. There is spicy level 1 2 3 4 5. This is spicy level 3. इनका एक dry oil आता है, एक chili oil आता है. They have like a lot of variety, but this is must try. You can eat with your parathas. You can eat with literally everything and anything. We eat it with bread. Just you put it on a slice of bread, some butter, this and cheese Oh my god, you're good to go. This one is amazing. You should must try. Definitely try. Also, you're not going to see my September shopping vlogs because I'm not shopping anything in September. It's absolutely no shopping month for me. All I ordered is Foxtail ka that some overnight mask because people have been raving about it. There are so many influencers talking about it, so I will apply it and let you know, guys. So I've been shopping a lot last month, so these are the products that I wanted to share. So the thing is, अब ये बात मेरे मुँह से अच्छी नहीं लगेगी, but still I don't promote shopping. I've been there, done that. I was a big time hoarder. Like I would walk in a store and I would buy like 10 perfumes, 10 lotions. I have done that whenever I'm in Victoria's Secret or Bath and Body, just because it's buy two get two, so I have to get four. I was a big hoarder, but not now. Now I've really cut down my shopping to things that I actually need. Also, the whole reason of making these vlogs is you can just watch my vlogs and other vlogs and decide what works best for you and get only what is required. I don't support hoarding, guys. I have done enough hoarding of my life. So yeah, these are the products that I've been really loving. This shampoo is a must have. This sunscreen is amazing. This mascara, guys, you have to get it. This is, I don't know, I have all the mascaras, Too Faced, Gucci mascara का brush बहुत ही अच्छा. Sometimes I do this mascara and then I just brush it with the Gucci का brush. That's very nice. So yeah, these are the products that highly recommend. And food wise, guys, I'm obsessed with this. Although I know it's not good for health, इतना ज़्यादा chili oil खाना, but this is amazing. This is just amazing. Another food item I've been obsessed is with this bakery near my place called Baking Memories. Again, I will link it if you want their sugar free, oil free, I think it's whole wheat khan and olive oil cake. Their cake is amazing. I think I have ordered thrice this month, which is, I know, crazy, but it's amazing. It's better to buy that homemade cake rather than the other cakes with preservatives and all. So yeah, these are the stuff I have been loving. That's it for today. I really wish I could share Shein links, but unfortunately मेरे phone में Shein नहीं चल रहा and you cannot open Shein in India, which is really sad. So I got this necklace from Shein. I am obsessed. Obsessed is an understatement, like how much I'm loving it. Also, girl math is आप 1 लाख का बैग ले लोगे, बट जब आप 1000 का बैग लेते हो ना तो वो ज़्यादा फन होता है. Although I have so many necklaces, but ये 10 dirham का necklace is giving me pure joy. 10 dirham means 250 rupees. Can you believe it? I'm loving it. Also, these rings are from Shein. I'm loving them. This shirt I am wearing, this shirt is really nice. I love the detailing and everything. This shirt I got it from GK, just from some random store. Yeah, that's all for today. Let me know in comment section what do you want to guys watch more, what do you want me to shoot, and yeah, that's it. Thank you so much.